baby. Hang on. Way to go, guys.
What a beautiful day in the desert.
Man, let's have some fun today. I'll try to keep you up front all day. 10-4, thank you, everybody. Had a good weekend so far. Nice and smooth all day. Have some fun.
Before you get too busy, think long and hard about how we have to execute all of our pit road stuff here. It'll happen fast when it's time to pit.
Let's go boogity, 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 and go racing, boys!
Close tonight, pass-through penalty, start violation.
I went at the literal exact same time, and then he spun his but man, it's all good.
Yeah, so you did a great job there. Certainly not fair if he doesn't do his job. You did yours. Just focus moving forward. We'll be fine.
I can barely drive this thing. It's vibrating like it's gonna fall apart.
Whoa!
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on.
It's broke. I don't know what happened.
Restarts wild in the west.
The 11 went like 2 car lengths early. That was crap. Yeah, it's important.
Like I got a flat tire while turn. Oh, freaking tight here.
The 2 is really fading up there. He's top right now.
Blue tire, something broke. Something broke big. I have to come straight to pit road, Paul. Sway bar arms drug off, and now we gotta go to the garage. Are we out of the race if we go to the garage? You gonna run without the sway bar?
Back under green. And it's Ryan Blaney as Almirola doesn't go, and they fan out 4 wide.
Leaner than hell, it's aggressive as hell on these restarts. I don't know how they're not wrecking. 3 or 4 wide is crazy.
Alex Bowman in the wall, turn 2.
Hold on to the brake. Hold on up there. We're in the wall, guys. We're in the wall, guys. Guys, right front tire here. Right front tire's down. We're gonna have to jack it up.
Oh, trouble for the 34. He got piled into it. He goes into the wall.
Hang on, hang on. Hold the brake. Hold the brake.
Caution waving as Alex Bowman went way high up on the racetrack.
Bring it to the garage. We're done.
Chase Elliott moving forward, but now starting.
Oh, he's around!
Hang on, hang on. Caution's out. Get it turned around quick here.
We're back under green.
We think we're 2 laps short. We really need 1 more caution.
They are rolling the dice at this point.
Man, you see the hands on Ryan Blaney fighting for this lead.
All right, if he's going to get going, we need to back up some and start saving fuel.
Jenny's gonna get going.
I'll start saving.
And here comes the Candy Man.
Attaboy. There we go. Back to back here. Wish it was back to back week. That was a cool week right here, man. Thanks.
Great work, man. A lot to be proud of this year.